Well, folks, this is a quick experiment. So I want to see how I am in the dark. I'm going to start turning on some lights. Uh, I moved the desk from the dining room to here. And I moved the little table, and then I also moved his jail unit for Mr. Trouble over here. So I'm going to start turning on lights, and then we'll see how it progresses and stuff. Also turning on the porch light. Kitchen light, is that good enough? Yeah, I need something on the right side, right? Is that good enough? Maybe one more light. There you have it. So ZR, just to the right, but I got another trick, all right? And yeah, this is the 1.8 now. So watch what, now this is a sharp lens. Compared to the 1.4, it's sharp. The 1.4s have character, as it goes to the end. So this is sharp basically everywhere. Watch this. Isn't that something? I got me a nice comfortable chair. I already had it. So I'll have to take one out of the shed and put it back in the closet where I have my gaming computer, one of them. So it looks good. So let me show you the product that I bought. So IKEA to the rescue. Here's the table. It's metal right here. And then it's particle board with a nice covering, but it's wood. And I'll show you some pictures of it. Usually they show you everything. There we go. Okay. So I might pick up a chair, but if you already have one, I don't need to spend any more money. I'll just bring a chair out of the shed and put it in by the computer. See, but it won't stop me from looking. But anyway, it's a good deal. Uh, they're located. It's for 150 bucks, about one penny shy, about 164 plus odd cents for tax. So anyway, I like it. Yeah, there we go. You got different pictures. The only thing missing is I got a black chair, but I got arms and stuff, so it's nice. And get out of here. I want to close window. And I want to go back here to my ZR. And I'm now going to go to my iPhone and show you the thing. So I'm backing up. Yeah, dog wants to play too. So you can see I got a white table. I have two edifier speakers. I have a white monitor, 4K, which I put back here to the gaming monitor, the LG. It's an IPS, and of course I got the Interview OLED. So then I got a little light up here. I got all these lights on. So got my dining room back. It's centered again underneath the light. I can move the cage, his timeout to over here when guests come, and then I can open up the dining room or dining room tables, push this out. This is where the table was, but I replaced it here, and this is a better fit. So that way I have my dining room back, and plus the fact that I had the chair set up like this before, but I had a beautiful chair here, but he ate the arm. So I got rid of it, and I says, okay. This used to be over there. This is more practical. I can swing the door back and forth, lock them in. I can raise the gate, if I need to get through them from the top. They're playing a deep bass music, whatever. He's not playing with his toy, he's sleeping, which is a good thing. And now I'm coming back to this. Going here. You see? An extra camera. And I got the Xenu stance, S-T-A-N-C-E. So, took me about an hour. I made a few mistakes. I got the, where they have the holes. I had them lined up. And then when I picked it up, I turned it the wrong way. So I had to redo a couple of times. But very easy process. They got the tools. They had all the bolts and the nuts and no screws, no screwdriver. It was a simple process. This is 28 inches in depth. This is about 43 inches in length, and it's about 28 inches high. Perfect. I love it. I can just bring the arms up and park the chair in here. It's nice and comfortable. It's cushy. So I'm happy with the setup. I get my dining room back. When I have people over here, I can always push the cage over here. It's on rollers. So anyway, thank you for watching. Remember, stay safe, keep smiling, and I'll see you next time. I'll have the model numbers and stuff in the information down below. Bye, folks. Have a wonderful day.